My dear friends, life coach V.K. Chaudhry today will be telling you something about how to manifest your dreams. My dear fellows, you can do what you like. You are the master creator, you are actor, director and script writer of your life. Then why you worry? Why you are not taking steps on your life? You just make your plan what you want to do about your dreams. Everything should be in clarity because clarity gives consistency between you. Then create a plan, and when you make a plan, stick to it. There is no doubt about it that it will be a wonderful plan from your side. My dear fellows, practice gratitude every day because it will give God's blessing to you and you will succeed in a wonderful manner. Then you just see that what are your limiting belief, what is giving you hindrance in your manifesting of the dreams. Address them thoroughly, give them scientific thought so that you can do wonders. And I tell you guys, we have to trust the process. Rome is not built in a single day. So we have to take our mind to greater height. And how it can be? It can be only and only with your rich mindset, and that will be done by higher level of energy. Your vibration should be strong enough and you will have to do everything great to love your life to reach you on that dreams. Don't be afraid if you receive some acknowledgement signs from the universe. Universe is having everything with them and you just see that you can do what you like. You become what you think. And my dear fellow, you have to work hard on your dreams. Then you will have to affirm daily. Affirmations gives you that you have achieved all your dreams, and when you will achieve your all dreams, you will be a wonderful personality in all. My dear friends, we have to give the stretching effect to our comfort zone. Our mind, body, soul should be in dancing mode that you are great and you are a divine creator of this life. Today suppose you are nobody, then become somebody and then a great one indeed. Life has great opportunities, and when you are going towards your goals, manifesting your goals, you are achieving great level of confidence with meditation, and then you will have to unleash your greatness. Dear fellows, go ahead and keep this life on a just great powerhouse and get what you want. Make your goals, have your skill development, and you are going to do everything and your dreams will come true and nobody can stop you. You will have to become fearless. You will have to have self-belief, and which is must for everything, because self-belief is our thought process enhancement. You will get it, and then have your wonderful rituals. Become lifelong learner. You will not make any excuse because life is just like shisha, full of ups and downs, and you will have to keep your why strong. Go ahead in life, win this life. You are a winner and you can do anything you want. Love you all, great person you are. And if you like this wonderful video, just subscribe this channel of yours, like it and give it share it among your friends and family members. Thank you very much. All the best. See you. Goodbye till next video. Thank you.